Day, Matt, to just be inside. I mean, it was breathtaking outside, beautiful sunshine, but just bone chilling.
Yeah, bone chilling. A deceiving sunshine, I like to call it. And it was interesting today, the areas in shadow stayed with the snow that we had last night, and the areas that had the sunshine. A sign that we are starting to warm across the area, which is good as we head towards spring. Busy week. I promise these kiddos a shout out. The fifth graders.
They're so excited.
Guys, I'm going to be honest. Fifth graders are my jam. They are like,
are they?
Well, it's where my mentality is too. But I'm telling you, they're just so much fun. They understand so much about science. They ask great questions. We had so much fun out there at St. Gabriel School with their career day that they had going on this week. So I want to thank them for inviting me. And Lena, I changed the background to this.
Why?
This was the graphic that you didn't like, remember?
Oh.
With the little boat in the background. So I made a nice little sunny field for you. I really hope you enjoyed it.
It just looked like an electronic line going across.
It's kind of weird. It was a weird picture.
Wow.
Anyway, so I hope you enjoy the field here. Allergies are going. 25 degrees today, officially. It was a cold day despite that sunshine. We're chilling down. I mentioned at 6, I thought we'd hit our low temperature right about now, and I think that's the case. We've dropped into the low teens, especially out in Ashtabula County. Jefferson, Ashtabula checking in at 12, 13 in Chardon. A little bit warmer as you get towards downtown and down towards Millersburg, but temperature is going to start to come up tonight, and that's because we've got high pressure that is literally right offshore over Ashtabula County right now. That is the core of this high pressure for the eastern half of the country. So you get a lot of sinking air, calm winds, and clear skies. That's what does it in terms of cold temperatures. But eventually we'll start to warm because we've got more moisture pushing in here with the next weather system that will bring that snow tomorrow. So you see as we go hour by hour, temps on their way up slowly towards daybreak. Clouds will start to fill in. That's what you'll notice tomorrow as this high pressure gives way to some cloud cover out west. The big picture, big wild weather out west. They've had record snow for Seattle, more snow for areas of California. The mountains just enjoying ski season out there. Wow. But for us, we've got a steady diet of moisture that's going to be coming our way over the next couple days. So we've got several days here of precipitation, and the first of which will be the snow that will start to develop over the next couple hours, areas of Iowa, and that will head eastward. That's what we'll be watching tomorrow, working here during the afternoon and evening. So hour by hour tomorrow morning, just some high clouds floating in off that system. It's really midday towards your lunch hour on Sunday that we start to see more cloudy skies. Temperatures seasonable. They'll be up in the low and mid 30s, I think, by afternoon. But here comes the snow. A steady light to moderate snow is all I'm expecting during the daytime tomorrow. And this happens 3, 4, 5 o'clock is when we'll see it develop and move from south to north. And it'll be with us much of the evening. I'm not too concerned about the daylight hours, but once we lose that daytime heating, so to speak, I think our roads will start to slicken up tomorrow evening. So if you have Sunday evening travel plans, do plan for some slick streets out there, and that snow's with us through Monday morning and eventually clears out. But another system gets going down to our south. That'll move back in here late in the day Monday, and that brings a wintry mix to the area as we go throughout your Monday evening. Snowfall accumulations, I think 1 to 2 inches ought to do it. I think some spotty 3 out there, depending on where those bands set up. But overall, we are looking at a snowy scene around here tomorrow night on into Monday morning. So I mentioned the more systems beyond that. Here's that Monday storm system bringing a slug of moisture. It becomes all rain by late Monday, so we're not worried about precipitation type. We're dealing with a lot of snow off to the north, but all rain Monday, all rain Tuesday. And then just like the last couple systems, we get that quick hit of cold air behind it. Rain changes to snow. We're back in the cold air on Wednesday. And once you know it, we do all over again next weekend. More rain out ahead of this one, and then more snow on the backside of it, right on that line between this warm and cold boundary. So you'll see that reflected in your forecast. A lot of up and down temperatures from here. There's that snow on Sunday. Temperatures go up on Tuesday. They come back down on Wednesday, and the same thing Friday and the Saturday before we settle into what looks like a colder pattern beyond that. We'll be back with sports after the break.